Woohoo! So cute! Hi everyone, this is Mackoy Soliman of Mackoy Vlogs. I'm an Insta360 ambassador, a freediver, and a traveler. Not to mention I'm also privately employed. In this beginner's guide, we're going to talk about anything you need to know about the newest Insta360 X4. And before we tick all these boxes, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel just right here. Or right here. Or right here. So here's the package we received from Insta360. They sent us the Invisible Dive bundle. Later on, I'm gonna show you where to find or where to purchase these bundles on the Insta360 website. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and start the first part of this video, which is the unboxing. Let's go! Ah. 2, 4. So these are all the items we received from Insta360. These are, again, all included on the Insta360 Invisible Dive bundle. We have here the Insta360 X4, an invisible dive case, lens cap. We have the 114cm invisible selfie stick. You also have a floating hand grip with strap and a micro SD card. Insta360 made it sure that you have everything you need in using this camera underwater, which is why they included all these accessories in the Invisible Dive bundle. Which for me is actually a pretty good idea, so at least you don't miss any important accessories in using your camera underwater. This time we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Insta360 X4. Oops. Wow! So we have the Insta360 X4 action camera right here. Let's go ahead and remove all the items inside this box, but we'll keep the camera right there. Let's see what's inside. Okay. We have some manuals here, warranty card, safety guidance, and instructions on how to waterproof the Insta360 camera. I noticed that they also included these lens guards. You also have a pouch. Oh, I really love the pouch. Oh, they also included this for added safety on your camera, which is really good. Let's put it then. Oh. And let's see what's inside of the pouch. We have a microfiber towel and charging cords. Well, I assume the battery is also inside of the camera, so let's go ahead and open it. Let's remove the tape. Ooh. And then let's remove the battery right there. So we have one battery right here, and it's quite bigger compared to the Insta360 X3 battery. We have a charger port right here. And on the other side, we have the speaker power on button, and this is where you change the mode. So if you guys are planning to buy the standard bundle, this is what you'll get. So once again, these are all the items you will get if you will purchase the Insta360 X4 Invisible Dive bundle. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and activate the camera by simply connecting it to our mobile app. So we have Insta360 app right here. Let's open this one. There you go. Connect to the Insta360 app to control camera. Confirm. Now the camera is updating the firmware. Once installed, please reconnect the device. Let's click join. Confirm camera. And then a pop-up message will appear, activate. Let's go ahead and do this. Camera activated. Done. That's it. Very, very simple. Let's remove the lens cap right here. Okay. I think everything is set up. So we now have our Insta360 X4 fully activated. All you have to do is to download the Insta360 app, follow the instructions on how to install it, and then connect that mobile app to your Insta360 camera, and you're good to go. Let's now go ahead and unbox the Invisible dive case. Let's open it carefully, just like that. Let's see what's inside of the box. Oops. Ooh. To make sure that your Indivisible dive case is in good condition and no damage, first put a tissue inside of it. Then submerge it to the water for a few minutes. Once confirmed that there's no leak, you can now place your camera inside the Invisible dive case. And once again, make sure it is properly sealed. By the way, we also have some accessories and then our invisible selfie stick. So unlike the normal dive case, there's now no need to tilt your camera in front of you. You don't have to do this anymore because it's totally invisible. All you have to do is to make sure that you activate the dive mode on your Insta360 camera and start recording. And by the way guys, to fully maximize the full potential of your Insta360 camera, you can also use my camera settings just right here. Sample videos coming up. How to edit videos from the Insta360 X4 underwater version. There are two ways on how you can edit. One by using the Insta360 mobile app or by using the Insta360 Studio for laptop users. In this video, we will be using the Insta360 Studio. And first off, let's import a video. In this section, you will see the video timeline. Later, we will trim this video using these buttons right here, and for now, let's add a keyframe. Rotate the video till you see your subject, and click the plus button right here to add keyframe. Let's do this every 5 seconds. Add keyframe, keyframe, and keyframe. Before we export the video, you will notice that there are 6 icons right here. Simply click on the third icon, and this is where we can adjust the color and quality of our video. And since this is an underwater video, I usually turn on the Aquavision 2.0. I will adjust the hue for at least 20%, and I will also turn on the Clarity Plus for at least 50%. Next, click on the Adjust button, and feel free to adjust all these options to your liking. Personally, I usually increase the saturation and definition for at least 50%, and the rest, it's up to you. Once satisfied with the editing, click on the Export button right here, and make sure to click the encoding format. Then, select ProRes 422 for better quality output. Lastly, click on the Start Export, and this is the final video. Just so you know, there are several options or bundles available on the Insta360 website, and this is how you make your purchase. On the description of this video, just click this link right here. A new tab will open and you'll be routed to this page. Make sure to change the location right here. Wait a sec and you can now make your purchase. On the right side of your screen, you will see all the available bundles. But if you wanted to customize your accessories, simply click the Accessories tab and feel free to choose your preferred accessories. Going back, once you selected your preferred bundle, I choose Invisible Dive Bundle. Scroll down a bit, you will have the option to purchase the Insta360 Micro SD memory card, FlexiCare, and double your warranty period by availing the Insta360 Extended Warranty. I would highly recommend you purchase these three in the Insta360 website, most especially the Insta360 Micro SD card because it works perfectly on all Insta360 cameras. Guaranteed you will not experience any issues with its performance simply because its advanced features makes it completely heavy-duty. After all, you cannot avail any of these elsewhere. I'm not sure in different countries, but here in the Philippines, this is the only way you can purchase these three. Going back, click the Add to Cart button. Your purchase confirmed, no hidden charges because the shipping fee is for free and tax is already included. Click the Checkout button, key in your shipping details, and make sure to include my coupon code INRRP2L. Just like this, and finish it by clicking the Place Order. And that's about it, guys. If you find this video helpful, I would really appreciate if you would like this video and click the subscribe button. You can also share this video to your friends. And once again, this is Mackoy Soliman of Mackoy Vlogs, your Insta360 ambassador.